안녕하세요, 나도메이커입니다. 오늘은 뷰와 다양한 UI 위젯에 대해서 알아볼 건데요. 스톤사의 HMI LCD에 대해 궁금하신 분들은 위에 카드 영상 한번 확인해주세요. 그러면 첫 번째 뷰부터 소개하겠습니다.
This video will introduce how to configure the widgets of Tab View, Scroll View, Slide View, List View, H and List View. Let's start from Tab View widget. Please pay attention that it has many sub-level widgets. For example, View subwidget can be generated from Page. Tab Button subwidget can be generated from Tab Button group. Users may click on or off for compact and scrollable for Tab Button group. These settings will affect the appearance of Tab Button. Users may set default Tab Button by clicking on Value. Icon represents default displayed images of the Tab Button, and Active Icon represents the images been displayed after the Tab Button been touched or activated. Users may add subwidgets on View according to needs. Now let's have a look of Scroll View widget. Please be noted View subwidget must be generated in order to achieve scrolling performance. Clicking on a slidable and slidable will make View subwidget slidable along with X-axis and Y-axis directions. Clicking on Move to Page will cause the movement of View subwidget Act Page, View, by Page, View, as responding of finger swiping. Now let's have a look of Slide View widget. It consists of Slider Indicator and Slide View. View subwidgets can be generated from Slide View. Users may set FG color for slider indicator according to needs. Please refer detailed content from user manual regarding remaining parameters of this subwidget. Users may add many view subwidgets under slide view. Clicking on loop will generate loop function for the last and first view subwidgets. Clicking on vertical will make view subwidgets sliding vertically. Autoplay represents the interval time for autoplaying different view subwidgets. Now let's have a look of List View H widget. It consists of one scroll view with multi-list item subwidgets which can be scrolled horizontally. Users may add other subwidgets under list item. Users may set the width of list item and space between different list item subwidgets. Now let's have a look of List View widget. It consists of scroll view, list item and scroll bar subwidgets. List item subwidgets can be scrolled vertically. Users may add other subwidgets under list item. Users may also set the color of scroll bar subwidget. Max and min parameters are calculated by pixels.
여기까지 뷰에 대한 내용이었습니다. 이제부터 다양한 UI 위젯에 대한 내용을 설명해야겠습니다.
This video mainly introduces several new widgets, including the radar chart widget, slider circle widget, table view widget, shape widget, and video image widget. First, let's look at the radar chart. The background image currently offers 4 different options. If you need a different background, you must design your own image and import it from the resources bar, then apply it to the background image. The area color refers to the color of the region surrounding the data points and the center. It supports a semi-transparent effect. The line border color is the color of the lines connecting the data points. You can also adjust the line width. After adjusting the width in the video, you can visually perceive the difference. The symbol background color is the background color of the data points, while the symbol border color is the color of the outer circle. To adjust the style, you need to modify the corresponding radius and width. Min and max refer to the minimum and maximum values. Both are of type int and support negative values. The widget will modify the corresponding style, based on the maximum and minimum values. The origin offset is the offset of the radar chart. The widget supports both clockwise and counterclockwise rotations. The default number of data points for the radar chart is 8, but you can modify the number of points according to your needs. Data refers to the specific values, which are in array form and can be modified. The style will be adjusted based on the point number and the set min and max values. Next one is the slider circle. Most of its properties are similar to the slider widget, so only a brief explanation will be given in this video. Min and max represent the minimum and maximum values, and they support negative values. After modifying the minimum and maximum values, the style will automatically adjust the data proportion. Step refers to the step value of increment or decrement when sliding. The value represents the current value. After modification, Stone Designer can automatically adjust the style. Start angle and end angle refer to the starting and ending angles, respectively. The style can be automatically adjusted based on these two angles. The background line width and foreground line width refer to the width of the background and foreground colors. After adjustment, you will see a clear visual difference between them. Header size refers to the radius of the circular header area. If you do not want it to be displayed, set it to 0. Dragger size refers to the radius of available area for dragging actions, and you can also set its color. Line cap can be set to either round or square shape according to your needs. The widget can also be set counterclockwise rotating based on your requirements. If show text is checked, the current value will be displayed. If checked, you can also set a unit for the value. Special note, the unit is invalid if show text is unchecked. Next, let's have a look of the table view widget, which belongs to a view widget category. First, let's discuss the table header. The table header consists of multiple labels. These labels need to be manually laid out according to actual needs. It is recommended to use percentage-based layout. The coordinates of the X and Y axes should be set based on the current percentage. You may refer to the example from the video. Now, let's have a look of the table content. You may right-click to add different widgets to the content area based on your needs. Other widgets such as buttons, radio buttons, etc. can also be added and then laid out. Please refer to the example from video. Manual coordinates implementation is required to ensure the table works properly. By default, 3 labels have been implemented. Special note, the table header and the table content do not necessarily need to correspond one-to-one. If you want them to match exactly, you must manually adjust the layout. Since the default index number needs to be set, you should set the default number of rows from Stone Designer. This can be done in the rows section of the table client. As you could see from this video, 20 rows have been applied as an example, which means that 20 rows will be downloaded to the device. Now, let's have a look of the shape widget. The shape widget is mainly used for drawing shapes. You can set the default line color, default width, solid line pixel count, dashed line pixel count, and default fill color from Stone Designer. The color-related settings can be modified by sending commands from the device. This widget is mainly used for drawing graphics. Please refer to the actual demonstration for specific effects. Finally, let's have a look of Video Image widget. This widget is designed for playing videos on the display module. First, you need to import the corresponding video resource into the video section on the left side. After importing the video, entering the corresponding video name in the video name field on the right side. By default, the video plays in a loop. If you don't want to activate loop effect, you may uncheck this option.
오늘은 뷰와 다양한 UI 위젯에 대해 배워봤습니다. 다음 영상에서는 뷰와 다양한 UI 위젯에 대하여 자세히 설명드리도록 하겠습니다. 영상이 유익하셨다면 좋아요와 구독 부탁드리며 사용 중 궁금한 점이나 피드백은 댓글로 남겨주세요. 다음 영상에서 만나요. 안녕.